Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool right here, and basically what this is a portable garment steamer. So basically use it anywhere if you guys want to use this at home, in the office, or when you guys are traveling. However you guys want to use it or wherever you guys want to use it, that is up to you guys. But the one that we got right here is by a brand called OGHom. If you turn this out here to provide you guys more features and specs right here. So that is basically everything that's on the outside of the package. Let me actually open up to show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing we see inside right here is a user manual to teach you guys how to set up the product and how to use it. Right here to provide you guys a brush accessory that's in use. Right here to provide you guys a measuring cup and use this to measure how much water to add onto the product. Right here is the head of the product where the steam will come out. If you guys can see, this is basically what it actually looks like. And you basically want to attach this part right here and lock it into the product. And then last but not least, we have the actual steaming part right here. That's all nicely wrapped. Let me take off the wrapper to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So this product is wired, it's not wireless. So this is basically what the product looks like. So you see right here is basically the water tank and the actual product right here. And they do have a measurement line right here to tell you guys where the maximum line is. So you don't want to go above that line right there. And top part right here is basically where it's pouring the water inside. And then this part right here is a button or switch for you guys to activate or close the product. And that is basically everything that's on the product. If you guys can see how small and portable the product is, you can basically bring this with you guys almost anywhere. And it's super easy to actually carry around as well. They mentioned that this product can carry up to 240 milliliters of liquid inside right here. And for the product actually has a 15-minute working time. So I'm assuming after 15 minutes, the product turns off to cool down or something. So that's where the overheat protection comes in if you guys use it for too long. But basically for these steamers, they mentioned how it actually works for a lot of different scenarios. Whether you guys want to use it for your pants, your shirts, silk, and the list goes on. And they mentioned how the product actually takes around like 1 or 2 minutes for it to heat up before you guys start using it. And what I recommend is that if it's your first time using the product, you probably want to turn on the product and put some water inside right here to kind of let out some of the steam to make sure the product is clean inside first before you guys first use it. And then in terms of the power cord right here, if you guys are curious about how long it can go, the cable is 9.2 feet long, which is definitely pretty far if you guys need to reach really far away. But that is basically everything that's on the product. So the way how you guys set this up is putting water inside right here, and you guys want to close up the lid like this and lock it in. So once you guys lock it in, this is basically what the product looks like, and you start using it. And for the steamer right here, you can definitely use that option right here, or if you guys want to use a little brush that they provide for you guys, you just have to stick it in like this, and you start using the brush option like that if you guys want to. But basically once you guys activate the product, you do not want to put your hand here or anywhere here because it'd be really hot. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test this out to show you guys how it works and whether it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the product all set up. So we got the water right here, and we have the cable all plugged in. Eventually we have a lot of wrinkles on here, so that's why I decided to get one of these to test it out to see how it works. So let me just turn on the product first. Alright, so once we turn on the product, it'll probably take like 1 or 2 minutes for it to heat up. So we'll just let this heat up first. So in here, the product inside is boiling. If you guys look really carefully inside, you can definitely see the water boiling in a few seconds. Alright, so you can definitely see the steam is coming out, so that means it's ready to start using the product. So let's test it out. Alright, so we just did a little bit right here and see that it actually kind of works. So when you guys turn off the product, it might take a few minutes for it to actually cool down. We can definitely see it stops boiling or stops steaming really fast. So you can see after we did the test right here, a lot of the wrinkles are all gone right here. And if you actually look at the other side right here, you can still see there's a lot of wrinkles right here. So you definitely see the product definitely does work if you guys want to get off wrinkles. It actually works quite fast as well, if you can see right here. So probably use the product to finish off the remainder of the wrinkles right here. But you can definitely see the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys have a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. You can definitely see how well the product works and how fast the results are when you guys actually use the product. If you guys have a lot of wrinkles on your dress shirt or your dress or whatever, that way you just have to use like an ironer to actually iron out your clothes. You can just use one of these to remove any kind of wrinkles, which is super convenient. But now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these portable steamers, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys have a lot of wrinkles on your clothes like I mentioned earlier, whether you guys have on your dress shirt, dress pants, or even on your dress. You can definitely get one of these to help you guys remove the wrinkle really fast and really easy. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.